Okay, students, now we will see problem number 3. A cylinder of diameter 70 mm is resting on its base on HP. It is penetrated by another cylinder of base diameter 60 mm such that their axes intersect each other at right angles. Draw the projections of the combination and show the curves of intersection. So in this question also they didn't mention axis height, so assume axis height is 90. Can assume anything, right? So what is the question here? Cylinder versus cylinder. A cylinder is penetrated by another cylinder. One of the cylinder diameter is 70 mm, another cylinder diameter is 60 mm, right? So this is the question. They asked to construct the cylinder based on HP. So I am drawing the circle, right? I am dividing this circle into 4 equal parts, naming it as A of 1, B of 2, C of 3, D of 4. Okay, leave 5 mm gap, draw the reference line, name it as here XY, right? After that, from A project the line, from B and D project the line, from C project the line, right? Now how much is the axis height here? 90 mm. Axis height here is 90 mm, right? Project this one, write the points A dash, B dash of D dash, C dash and here, right? After front view, top view, you have to construct the side view with the help of this. So leave some gap here, draw a vertical line, name it as x1 y1, another reference line, right? From D draw a straight line till here, from A and C draw a straight line till here, from B draw the straight line till here. After that, what you have to do? Keep your compass here, take this distance, draw an arc. Keep your compass, take this distance, draw an arc. Keep your compass here, take this distance and draw an arc here, right? Now project this one, axis height is 90. Project this one, axis height is 90 here. Join this one. So this is side view, indicates with double dash, D double dash, 4 double dash, A double dash, C double dash, 1 double dash, 3 double dash, B double dash and 2 double dash. So front view, top view, side view. First this is the part, right? Now we have to construct another cylinder of diameter 60 mm, right? Mark the midpoint for this axis line, right? Diameter is 60, radius is 30. Take 30 mm radius, construct the circle, right? Divide this circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, so on. So after marking these points, from every point, from 4 double dash draw a straight line, from 3 double dash, 5 double dash, from 2 double dash, 6 double dash, this is 1 and 7. Then next is 12 double dash, 8 double dash, 11 double dash, 9 double dash, and this is here 10 double dash. After that, what you have to do? Keep your compass here. This is the intersection point, right? Keep your compass here, take this distance, draw an arc, take this distance, draw an arc, take this distance, draw an arc, right? Same here also. So from every point, take this distance, draw an arc like this, right? Again same, keep your compass here, take this distance, draw an arc, right? After that, project all these points, draw a straight line, right? Axis height is 90 mm. So from midpoint take 45 45, from midpoint take 45 45, from midpoint take 45 45, right? So if you do that, you will get the axis height here. So you know, you are projecting fourth point, write down 4 4. You are projecting 3 and 5, write down 3 5 3 5. You are projecting 2 and 6, write down 2 6 2 6. You are projecting 1 and 7, write down 1 7 1 7, so on, right? Same you are projecting here, same you have to project here also to front view, right? From one double dash draw a straight line, right? From 12 double dash and 2 double dash also draw a straight line. From one double dash and 3 double dash also draw a straight line. 10 double dash and 4 double dash draw the straight line. 5 double dash and 9 double dash draw the straight line. 6 double dash and 8 double dash draw the straight line, and last one is 7 double dash draw the straight line, right? You know axis height is 90. So from midpoint 45 45 45 45, this is the midpoint 45, this is the midpoint 45, same this is the midpoint 45, this is the midpoint 45, like that. So if you join all that points, you will get the axis height is here 90, right? So same, you're projecting 1 point, write down 1 dash. You're projecting 2 and 12, write down here 2 and 12. You're projecting 3 and 11, write down here 3 and 11. You're projecting 4 and 10, write down here 4 and 10, same, right? So after drawing this, what you are doing, this is the first point, this is the axis height, this is the circle intersection, name it as here P1 comma P7, right? Next, this is the circle and this is the axis height, name it as P2 comma P6. This is the axis height, this is the circle intersection, write it as here P3 comma P5, right? This is the axis height, this is the circle intersection, write down here P4. Same, this is the axis height, this is the circle intersection point, name it as P12 comma P8. This is the axis height, circle intersection, write down P11 comma P9. Axis height, circle intersection, write down here P10, right? Same here also, same points, intersection points, name it as here P4 P3 comma P5, here P2 comma P6, and here P1 comma P7, and here P12 comma P8, and here P11 comma P9, and last one is here P10. You can write down here glue points also, right? So after marking, what we are doing, this is the first point P1 comma P7. From P1 P7, if you draw a straight line, you will get here P1 dash and here P7 dash, right? Then next, see here, this is P12 comma P8, this is P2 comma P6, P12 comma P8, P2 comma P6. If you draw a straight line, see the points 12 2 6 8, write down the points here P12 dash, P2 dash, and here P6 dash, P8 dash, right? Then next, if you join this one 11 9 3 5, you will get P3 dash, P11 dash, P5 dash, P9 dash. Last point is here P10 P4. If you draw a straight line, you will get here P10 dash, P4 dash, right? Same points here also, if you do like that, right? Same, how you started the first step, ఇక్కడ ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తారు 1 to 1 7 to 7 12 to 12 2 to 2 7 to 7 1 to 1, right? Then next 10 to 10 4 to 4, like that, right? So if you join all this, right, if you join all this, you will get the curves of intersection, right? This is nothing but here naming it as here curves of intersection, right? So previous we wrote as lines of intersection, that is for polygons, right? This is a cylinder, so write down this portion as here curves of intersection, right? So this is the problem. Please practice this, you will understand what we are doing. Just we are marking points here, right? Axis height circle intersection point, axis height circle intersection point, axis height circle intersection point. You are writing numbers. If this is P10, from P4 you are drawing a straight line, naming it as P10 comma P4. This is P11, P9. From here, if you draw a straight line, it will meet here also, P3, P5. Mark the points here. Like that, if you do this, definitely you will if you practice this only, you will understand these intersections of surfaces. So this is the third problem.